Oh, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you tonight. I'm just making the neighbors some treats, some like street food, snack food kind of stuff here tonight. Different things. We're gonna try some of these sauces from Melinda's. I just want to make some different things, like little tacos, chicken wings, stuff like that, to go with it. So, what I've got is my Lone Star Grillz. This is the 20 by 36 inch pellet smoker here, made in Willis, Texas. And I've been cooking on a lot lately. I've got it cranked to 400 degrees, okay? You can see the grate temperature is about a little over 400. What we're gonna do is got some inside skirt steak. I've got the deflector plate closed, just like normal cooking. Didn't have to worry about doing too much of a searing, but we're gonna just cook this inside skirt steak on here tonight. We're just kind of cook it evenly. And we'll cut it up and make some little mini street tacos with it. So, what we'll do, roll it out like that. Just pull it out and get nice and straight on there. Like I said, I've got it seasoned down with, I'll show y'all, but it's country pleasing. This is a meat house around here. Makes some great stuff. But this is their steak seasoning. Red wine steak seasoning. Absolutely fabulous on steak. I figured why not put it on this flank steak. We'll let that go a few minutes. We'll just roll with it. I'll be right back, y'all. Oops. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and give these a flip. Nice little sear on that side, kind of. It won't take long to cook, really, y'all. We just cut them up for taco meat. Well, these are done. I'm gonna take them in the house and bust them up. They didn't take no time to cook. About 7 8 minutes on this Lone Star. You know what I'm saying? It kicks that good smoke on there. I said I was running 400 degrees. Let them rest for a minute. We'll bust them up. Make some kind of like fajita meat out of that, right? While that steak was resting, we'll go ahead and put some chicken wings on here. Put some wings, nice and dusted with some Butcher's Barbecue Grilling Addiction. Good seasoning there. Let me show you how we're going to do these chicken wings. I'm going to get over here. Not blocking everything, y'all. So we're still right here at the 400. I'll pull my thing out just a little bit. And now we're going to start loading this thing up with chicken wings. Off here. Just want to get them all nice on there, get them spaced out. And I tell you what, this thing is a chicken wing cooking machine. I've done them before, and it's the first thing I actually cooked on here. I didn't have it on video, but chicken wings are something this thing does with ease. I just want to put that big enough here for a certain reason. Anyway, let me get all these on here and I'll come right back to y'all. I don't want to bore y'all with all this, putting these chicken wings on. So I've got all the wings on. I even got a little chicken wing probe in one. So we're going to shut it down and let it cook. Oh yeah. There we go. What this thing is a wing cooking machine. I bet it's only about 20 minutes and these suckers are already temping 185, 190, stuff like that. So I'm about to get them off. Before I do, I want y'all to see these steak, that inside skirt steak. Remember that stuff? I cut it up to the tacos and whatnot and show it to y'all. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful right there? So we're going to taste it. I don't want to get too big of a piece. There we go. I'm going to taste that for flavor. And I'll come over here. Continuous. Absolutely wonderful. So, that turned out great. Go ahead and check that up. I just want to taste that for y'all first. Alright, now y'all just look at those wings. Look at that color. Is that not beautiful? Crispy, wonderful smoked chicken wings right here on Lone Star Grill. Get them off and give them that paint. Woo! Hot. There's way too right here. Don't let that grease build up on the hands. I just did there. We'll get them all off. I'll come right back to y'all. We're about to try some of these Melinda sauces. Let me show you what we got. We got the black truffle, the ghost pepper wing sauce, Thai sweet chili sauce, spicy garlic parmesan, fire roasted garlic habanero, and the green sauce. So Kevin is going to be our lucky test bunny here. All right, give it a try. That's the black truffle.
That's phenomenal.
No, you've had the other truffle sauce. Is it similar to that?
It's similar. It's a deep buttery taste. It's good. Got a little spice to it.
Not too much.
Not too much.
Less spice than others.
Not too much.
I like that.
That's good.
Okay.
Randall.
All right. Anybody else want to try that one? While we're on that one?
Which one we're talking about?
The truffle.
Oh, yeah, on that one right there.
All right, you're waiting on that one. All right, now next up is the ghost pepper wing sauce. Somebody want to try the ghost pepper?
Kevin will. I guarantee it, Kevin will.
I'll do a flat.
All right.
This one?
Yeah, ghost pepper. I imagine this was a little bit hot. I don't know. I would think.
That's hot.
Which one's hot?
It's good. That's hot.
So okay, rate it like with Buffalo Wild Wings, kind of hot. How is it? Hot is
Like hotter than they're hot.
but not like insane.
No, I mean it has a good flavor, but it's hot.
Okay. Well, ghost pepper, I get kind of the same thing.
I mean, as soon as it hits your tongue, you're like, "Hey, what's up?"
Okay, Thai sweet chili. Keith, that sounds like something you like.
Man on that. Hold
There you
on.
go.
Oh, you ate it with me, right?
No, man, it's your time.
Go ahead. Yeah, Kevin's mouth needs to
that
set.
there?
Yeah,
Thank you, Joe.
his taste buds are impaired right now.
Lord, that's hot.
You want to eat it? Thai chili? Are you ready?
That's
We'll
hot.
take a break.
All right, so all right, Thai chili going down.
That's, each one. That's delicious. It's fine.
He probably can't tell.
It's fine. That middle one, yeah. I love Thai chili.
I might buy a new refrigerator, just keep sauce.
Actually, I want some more.
Okay, so
Oh, that is good. That is good.
Okay.
That's delicious.
That is
Who likes spicy Parmesan?
that is good.
Try the Thai chili, man. It's fine.
Anybody eat
Big.
spicy Parmesan wings?
Zig, come get you some spicy parmesan.
Scott, you eat spicy Parmesan.
I can't be on camera though. The blurs everything out.
That's Thai chili.
Scott, you want to come try the spicy Parmesan?
Which one?
Oh yeah.
What
What am I trying?
You're gonna be on video.
You're going to try this one right here, spicy Parmesan.
Okay.
No, let him try the. You like hot sauce? Hot
Whatever. Tell me.
Go with this one we hadn't tried first, spicy Parmesan. Yeah, there you go. Everybody's scared of that one like it's the new good item.
Sauce?
Okay.
I don't know. You sweating? Kevin's sweating.
And Chappie here is from Texas. But Chappie, tell him what you hadn't done yet.
A brisket.
Man, but he's eating a lot of brisket, knows people who cook brisket, and he hustles out there. So
Thanks, bro. No, I've not done a brisket.
Not done a brisket yet. I'm gonna teach you.
Well, you're gonna show me how to do
That's
it.
right. That's right.
That's really good.
Good.
Ask him if he likes Jeremy.
Okay. Now we have what do we have left here? We have
That's really good.
fire roasted garlic habanero and the green sauce. Tomatillo, spinach, cilantro, garlic.
That's the mustard.
Okay.
Try the.
All right. Keith, film me. I'll try this one here. All right.
Wait, Joe. Wait, give me a second. You ready?
Yeah. All right. This sauce. Okay. Let's do the green sauce. This is a tomatillo jalapeno. Not supposed to be too spicy. Oh man, that's delicious. Not too spicy, but great if you like a green salsa. That is phenomenal. That's really, really good. All right. So far, everybody, the house favorite is the Thai chili, but we'll try some of the other ones. Oh, very, very good product. Good hot sauce.